Welcome to A1 Garage Door Specialists, providing you with high-quality commercial and domestic garage door installation, servicing and repairs. We are one of the longest-standing and most reputable garage door companies on the Isle of Wight. For us, customer service always comes first. Everything is competitively priced and we can supply and install a huge range of solutions to suit all requirements. From an automated garage door to shop front security shutters. For your complete garage door specialists, call us today.